All right, we are live here with Mr. David Pryce. He's the coach of Limal FC. First game in the Premier League season. How would you assess your team's performance?
I'm satisfied. I mean, could have gotten more out of the game, but I have to give thanks. Clean sheet was one of the objectives today. Wanted the team to stay organised, and I think we did that for the most part. Montego Bay have skillful players, touch players, and I think we managed to force them in the outside channels, which was the plan. So we could have delayed their attacks and force them to play from wide. So in the end there, we should have gotten the winner to cap off a good performance. But nonetheless, their first outing, 80% of who played today, their first Premier League game. So I think they gave a good account of themselves, considering that we don't have all the pieces that we acquired in the team today.
And not only that, but I mean, what would you say about the conditioning of your team? I mean, in physical condition.
Well, I am not very concerned right now about that based on the length of the season. We've been, based on our periodization, we wanted to get them at a certain point. There was a little glitch in that based on some internal issues. So we had to just use organisation to compensate for whatever physical issues we had. So we'll go back and get that started, talk to the medical staff, and make sure the recovery is done and is good.
Thank you, Mr. Pryce, and all the best for the rest of the season.
Yeah, man. Thank you.